Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, welcome to my channel. So this is a video that me and my partner made to explain about the infrastructure as a service, or in short IaaS, and its uses in cloud computing. So this is an assignment for the subject PC hardware and software, ECE353. My name is Muhammad Farhakimi bin Muhammad Razi, and my partner's name is Muhammad Iqmal bin Mesnin. So first, referring to the website sumologic.com, the infrastructure as a service, or IaaS in short, is also called as hardware as a service, or in short HaaS. It is a standard delivery model for cloud services where customers purchase access to managed IT infrastructure from a third-party cloud service provider. So now I'm going to talk about the next part, which is the characteristics of IaaS, or infrastructure as a service. So according to the website called javadpoint.com, with the title of the article being infrastructure as a service, I can divide these characteristic parts into 5 parts, which is scalability, virtualization, elasticity, security, and customization. So for the first one is scalability. Users can adjust computing capacity according to their demands. And for the next part is virtualization. IaaS uses virtualization technology to generate virtualized instance. The third part is elasticity. IaaS allows users to dynamically modify their computing resources in response to shifting demand, ensuring optimum performance and financial viability. And for the fourth part is security. IaaS provides data encryption, firewalls, access control, and also threat detection. And for the fifth part, which is the last part of the characteristics part, is customization. IaaS enables user to alter the operating system, application stats, and security settings of their virtualized instance. Okay, so now we are going to dive into the next part, which is the service that IaaS provides, or in instance, the users of IaaS in cloud computing. So referring to the javadpoint.com website, with the same title or with the same article, first thing that it provides is simply just its computing, because IaaS provides virtual CPU and also virtual main memory. This part is for the storage. The storage, IaaS provides a back-end storage service. So users can include block storage, object storage, and also file storage. So they can store their files and data. Then the next part is backup and disaster recovery service. This simply means that users can choose to put recovery plans in place in the event of data loss or system problems. Okay, so for the next one, this is referring to the ibm.com website. On the title of the article is what is infrastructure as a service, IaaS. So the next uses of IaaS in cloud computing is website hosting. So IaaS provides a cost-efficient way to host customer-facing websites and web applications that are secure, scalable, and can be tailored to optimize user experience.
Hello, so today I will be talking about the advantage of IaaS cloud computing. So the first advantage is shared infrastructure. It allows multiple users to share the same physical infrastructure. The second advantage, it has web access to the resource, so it allows IT users to access resource over the internet. The third advantage, it is pay as per use model. IaaS provider provide service based on a pay as per use basis. The user only have to pay for what they have used. So IaaS also has disadvantages. So the first disadvantages is security. Although IaaS company have security safeguard in place, it is difficult to achieve 100% protection. The second disadvantage is maintenance and upgrade. The underlying infrastructure is maintained by IaaS service providers, but they are not required to automatically upgrade the operating system or software used by client application. So compatibility problem could come from this, making it harder for customer to maintain their current software. The third disadvantage is performance variability. Due to its shared resource and multi-tenancy, the performance of VMs in the IaaS system can change. So the fourth disadvantage, it is so dependent on internet connectivity. So if there is no internet, Iaas system cannot operate properly. So these are some of the Iaas provider that you need to know. So the first one is from Microsoft. Microsoft Azure Iaas provide a highly scalable bare metal infrastructure and offers a broad set of hybrid capability for its application, data, identity, security and management across on all the premises and cloud environment. So the second Iaas provider is Google Compute Engine. It provides a scalable and high-performance virtual machine that boot quickly and offer persistent disk storage. So the third one is VMware. VMware provides customer with an enterprise-level security and a flexible deployment option. So the fourth one is C3. C3 has a feature that include virtual app and desktop, endpoint management and content collaboration. So some of the other provider is Navisite, DigitalOcean, Red Hat and Verizon. So what are the difference between Iaas, PaaS and SaaS? So Iaas is a product that allows organizations to manage their business resources such as their network, server and data storage on the cloud. PaaS is a product that allows business and developer to host, build and deploy consumer-facing apps, while SaaS is by far the most common cloud service. SaaS product offer both consumer and business cloud-based tool and application for everyday use. And that concludes our talk about Iaas technology. I hope this has given you a clearer understanding of how it works and its practical application. Iaas is a real game changer. It enables business of all sizes to innovate and grow without the need for heavy upfront investment in infrastructure. By leveraging its scalability, flexibility and cost efficiency, organizations can focus more on their core objective and less on managing IT resources. Remember, as the demand for cloud service grows, understanding Iaas is not just beneficial, it is essential for staying competitive in today's digital landscape. Thank you for your attention and I encourage you to explore this technology further.